The next example will be y squared minus, no, sorry, it's a squared plus 4a minus 5 over a squared minus 4a plus 3 divided by a plus 5 over 4a minus 16. So let's rewrite this one into a multiplication operation. So that's a squared plus 4a minus 5 over a squared minus 4a plus 3 multiplied by reciprocal the second, get the reciprocal of the second fraction. So that's 4a minus 16 over a plus 5. So I'm gonna have some working solutions here. So a squared plus 4a minus 5, you have to get the factors of negative 5 that will give you sum of positive 4. So factors of negative 5 that will give you sum of positive 4, that is positive 5 times negative 1. So this is 5 plus negative 1, that's 4. So which means the factor of this are a plus 5, a minus 1. So this is a plus 5, a minus 1 over, let's factor a squared minus 4a plus 3. So find the factors of 3 that will give you sum of negative 4. So that's negative 3 times negative 1, that's positive 3. Negative 3 plus negative 1, that is negative 4. Which means the factors of a squared minus 4a plus 3, it's a minus 3, a minus 1. So a minus 3, a minus 1. Next, you have 4a minus 16. So 4a, factor of 4a will be 4 times a, negative 16. Factors of negative 16 wherein one of the factor must be 4. So that's 4 and negative 4. Common factor is 4. You bring down 4. And then bring down all the expressions that has no common factor. So this is 4a minus 4 over a plus 5 is already in simplified form, so we can no longer factor a plus 5. And then you look at those expressions which are common, so we can divide them. We have a minus 1 and a minus 1. What else? Oh, a plus 5 and a plus 5. So this is 1, 1. You're being left with 4, a minus 4 all over a minus 3. Do not simplify this one, primarily because most of the questions in MathXL ask you to simplify your answer into a factored form. And this is already in factored form. Okay? So I want you to try practice exercises number 2.